Namaskar children, how are you all? I hope all of you fine at your home. I am Sudha Ronak from New Era Global Kids. I am your maths teacher. Let's start today's session with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Tumi ho mata pita, tumi ho bandhu sakha, tumi ho mata pita, tumi ho bandhu sakha, tumi ho jo khil sake na wo फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, तुम्ही हो नैया, तुम्ही खिवैया, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो Okay everyone, slowly rub your hands, put on your face, slowly open your eyes. Now everyone ready for today's session? Okay, let's start. Before starting our session, we will do some warm-up exercise. Okay, I know all of you know what is warm-up. I know everyone know the warm-up exercise. Yes? Okay, let's start. First, take your hands like this and fold it. Fold your fingers. Turn and clockwise first. Okay? Now anti-clockwise मतलब उल्टा करना है. Yes? Okay, very good. This one helps your wrist to move easily. Yes? ये आपके wrist मतलब ऐसा. ये wrist को move करने में help करेगा. Okay everyone? Yes, very nice. Now open your fingers and close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Now take it down and take your hands and put it on your shoulder. Okay? Now move like this, clockwise. This is clockwise. Okay? Yes. Very good. Everyone doing this exercise? Okay, now anti-clockwise. Yes. This one makes your hands free. Okay, everyone? And now stop. Stand straight. Everyone? Ready for today's session? Okay, now first we will do activities. Okay? Okay, everyone? Look at here. I am making today a small activity for you. Yes? I take A4 size paper like color, brown color, and make cutout of that paper. Yes? Like this. And you can also make these activities, and also I cut a small half circle like shapes cutouts for this activity. Okay, now what we are doing here, I am pasting these shapes in this paper. and you can paste these all cutouts in your drawing book. आपके drawing book में भी आप कर सकते हो. हाँ, ये तो आपके पास हमेशा रह सकता है. Okay, okay. Now I am using this fevistick. With the help of this fevistick, I am sticking this cutout. Okay, first turn this and paste the fevistick. Okay, everyone. Yes, and stick this cutout on the paper here. Yes, like this. You have to also do like this. And now I am taking these small papers and pasting one side. First I paste one side of this cutout paper. Okay, take this fevistick and put it here inside this cover. Okay, and take another one. Okay, yes, now take this here and I am putting here. Yes, now another one. I know all of you guessing what is this. सबको पता चल रहा है ये क्या है करके? Yes, please guess this picture what we are making today. Yes. Yes, here like this, and this side also we are pasting this paper. Okay, first here. Now I am taking another paper cutout and sticking fevistick on this and pasting here. And another one. First of all, upside. Two paper cuts are upside and other 6 paper cuts downside. Yes, like this. Okay. Do you know what is this? What is this? Okay, I hope all of you guess this picture. What is this? This is an, what is this? This is an spider. ये क्या है? Spider. Yes? Okay. Do you know this body in which shape? आपको पता है ये स्पाइडर का बॉडी कौन सी शेप में बना है? Okay, I can draw you. You can guess this. Yes, like this. Which? This is like an 8. Number 8. Number 8 लिखते हो आप? Yes. ऐसे ही इसकी बॉडी का शेप है. Yes. Spider have a shape of number 8. Yes. And do you know the one fact of spider? Yes. This is the only insect which has 8 legs. Yes. And let's count these legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I know all of you know this one. Now spider has like shape 8 body, and it also has only 8 legs, and this is the only one insect which has 8 legs. Yes, and one more thing is there. Do you know which insect make a web? Which insect make a web? Yes, it is a spider. हाँ, a spider ही है जो web बनाता है. Yes, did you learn in the English subject and GK also? Yes, and GK ma'am said told you about spider and what it do. Yes. Okay. This is the only insect spider makes a web and it lives in web. है ना, हमारे घर में भी बहुत सारे जाल हो जाते हैं तो मम्मी सफाई करती है. क्यों सफाई करते हैं? This is the insect that makes a web. जो जाल हमारे घर पे बनते हैं वो इसकी वजह से ही बनते हैं. हाँ, इसीलिए तो मम्मी सफाई करते हैं. Yes, very good. Okay, so and now you can guess which number name today we are writing. Yes, number 8. What is the spelling of 8? E I G H T. E I G H T 8. E I G H T 8. E I G H T 8. So today we are learning number 8. Okay, one more time I will explain you. The spider have number shape of 8. The body of spider is in the shape of number 8 and it also has 8 legs. Yes, spider has 8 legs and this is the only insect which have 8 legs, and spider makes a web everywhere. Yes, did you find? Okay everyone, now move to our classwork and homework portion. Okay everyone, before start our classwork portion, I want to revise once again all the number names. Okay, what is this? O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1. Next number is T-W-O-2, 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 3. T-H-R-E-E-3, T-H-R-E-E-3, T-H-R-E-E-3. 3 after 4, F-O-U-R-4, F-O-U-R-4, F-O-U-R-4. Next number is 5, F-I-V-E-5, F-I-V-E-5, F-I-V-E-5. Next number is 6, S-I-X-6, S-I-X-6, S-I-X-6. Next, S-E-V-E-N 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Yes, and this is 8. In the last video we learned about number 7 in notebook, and today we are writing number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay, so today's classwork and homework is page number 18 in worksheet, half page, and homework 18 in worksheet, other half. Today we are writing both the classwork and homework in worksheet. Okay, first write CW on the top and mention the date. First we read the heading, write the the number and number name in the below given boxes. Okay, these are boxes given in your worksheet, and also here one has been done for you. Here one number 8 already written here, so you can read this number name and write in all these number line boxes. Okay, let's start. What is the spelling of 8? First we write number 8. E-I-G-H-T 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 8. In the worksheet, when we are writing, we are no need to skip the lines. Okay? E-I-G-H-T 8. Next, E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay, this is our classwork portion. Half of the worksheet page number 18, and this is other half of worksheet page number 18. That is your homework. Okay everyone, now I will show you in the worksheet page. Okay everyone, this is your worksheet, maths worksheet, page number 18 in your worksheet. And this is half of the page of your worksheet. So it is your classwork and this is your homework. Write date here. Okay, I already explained you how to write in the classwork portion. Yes, number 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Yes? And write these all underlines, and in homework also you have to write like this. Okay? E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. And another below lines you have to do yourself. Okay everyone, now I will show you once again classwork homework. Okay, so today's classwork is page number 18 in worksheet, half page, and homework is 18 in worksheet, half page. Okay, so what we did today? आज हमने क्या सीखा? First we do the activity of spider. Yes, this is a spider which has 8 legs. Okay. And which has body like number 8. Yes, a number 8 जैसा इसका body है. And this one is the spider. Spider has 8 legs and spider makes a web. Okay everyone, I hope all of you enjoy today's activity and today's class. Bye bye everyone, take care.